Hello guys, welcome to this video. It's about getting from Android 14 back to Android 13, and it's the example of the Google Pixel 4a because it's making problems with battery now that you install 14 and you have to replace it. Compensation program this does. So I provide you 4 easy steps to handle this situation. Those 4 steps include first you enable your developer options on your phone, and then afterwards you download 3 things and install them. First, the Google USB driver, which makes a connection to you between your phone and your laptop, because you have to basically connect your phone to the laptop to get the Android version from the laptop downloaded onto your phone. But before you download the Android version in step 4, you need to before as well ADB and Fasboot download and install. In the last part, you use then the SIM-DLED to install on your phone manually, because on the version is only installable manually, which you need. So have fun. Thanks. Hey guys, first step, you go in the settings of your phone, then you scroll down to About Phone, and then you scroll down again to Build Number. Press it 7 times. It tells me no need, you are already developer, but if I wouldn't be, there would come a dialog to put my credential and become developer. And now you see here, you tap in developer options. As you can see here, it's on, and then you have to go down to USB debugging and put this on as well. And in this case, my smartphone is already connected to the laptop, and we will do the necessary steps on the laptop afterwards. After having done step 1, turn on dev mode and USB debugging on your smartphone, you go to this page, link in the description, and get Google USB driver, because we are using Google phone, and otherwise if I have a different phone you would use this, but this tutorial is for Google phone. So you click on this button and license agreement, then you download the file, and I already downloaded it. It is here, and you see in my download folder it is, and I just put it on my personal folder. As you can see, it should be somewhere here. Yes, USB driver. Keep in mind where you put it, and then you open Device Manager. You press Windows and X, and then Device Manager, and then you see here all your devices. And down here, you see portable devices, Pixel 4a, it's connected. And you need to connect it first and accept on your Pixel 4a that USB debugging connects to the laptop. And then you right click, update driver. Don't search automatically, but browse for the driver, which I just put in this folder, right? And then you click next, blah blah blah, and it is installed. All right, step 3, guys. We are here on this page. Link is in the description. It's about the ADB and Fasboot ++. You have to download, copy this link, and I copied into this tab. And here you see the .msi. You're going to download this one. And for me, it's here. As you can see, it's already here, and I already installed. And after installing, or when you install it, place it in a folder which has a file name. So in my case, just put it in your user folder, and I put it into this folder, the user folder. It has a different name in the beginning, but please put this name instead, because it shouldn't have any spaces. I think it was ADB and Fasboot and blah blah blah. Don't use this name because it's not good with the system variables, which will be important now, because you will add this path here, ADB Fasboot, to your system variables, and then for that you will open the command prompt. You put in sysdm cpl, and this will open the window for your system variables. And you will go onto here on advanced environments, and then you scroll down on the bottom, which is system variables I was talking about, and then not completely to the bottom, a little bit up again into the path. And you see here in the path there is the link to the ADB Fasboot. So just add this here, and you can do new and do something. In my case, it's already done. All right, guys. Step 4, we will download this because this is the Android 13 image, and it's called image. It's an Android 13 version. It's built basically, and it's from Google Drive because this is a specific person who uploaded it. Because on the official one, if we go on this page, we cannot find it anymore. Pixel 4a just supplying this one. And as you can see here, it is .s2 in the end, and the one we will need is .s1, and you can see here .s1. So download this one. You will get 2 GB download, which is this one. And the zip you see here, you unpack it, and inside of that is the one you need. In my case, I did put it in the users folder into the folder Android, and there it is. Click on it, and then you see those files, and inside is another zip with more files, but you don't touch it. You just go inside here, flash all bugs, edit with editor, and you delete the -w here. There was a -w. You don't need it, or you delete it, please, so so that it is not there. And afterwards, you will open the command prompt, Windows R, and then CMD. And in this place, you will now tap ADB devices. And you see my smartphone, which is connected via USB to the computer, is listed here. And afterwards, you can do ADB reboot bootloader, and this will trigger an action on your phone. And you take a look at your phone now, and it's starting to get a dark screen. Yes, and it's in Fastboot mode now. And now you will click, or you can also click here Fastboot devices to make sure it's, you see, it's the same device connected to Fastboot. And now you will do Fastboot flashing unlock. And this action, I will not do it because it wipes your phone, but you need to wipe your phone to do this action to get the Android 13 again. So you do this action. I will not, because I don't want to wipe it again. And afterwards, your phone will do an action again, and you say, yes, please really unlock it. It's indicated on the phone. What should you do? And yeah, when you've done it, I will come back when you've done it and explain the rest. Okay, part 5 basically now. You just basically you just double click this one after you unlocked the flashing, or after you unlocked the device state of your phone. You just double click this one, and then you just wait. Don't do anything on your phone. Just wait until all the process is done, and your phone is going to restart. But before you do all the new thing on your phone, you need to lock it again, please, because locking it is important, I think, at least. And locking it again, it's just the same process as before. You do just create your phone from scratch, but don't install anything. Just the base phone, also without internet and so on. Just so it works. Then enable the developer options again, and do the same process again to get the lock. And the lock is just a Fastboot flashing lock again, and this will also wipe again. Yeah, don't install anything important before. Keep that in mind, because I did this mistake. And yeah, basically that's it. You can work if you know Android 13. Keep in mind, in the developer options, automatic updates, no. So that's the reason, that's the final thing in the developer options, because otherwise you will get the Android 14 again. So yeah, I hope it helps, and I'm sure it will. And see you in the next one. It was a pleasure.